Hi everyone, this is Teresa. Thanks for stopping by my stamp room. It is Monday evening and it's a little early. People may not be home from work yet or having dinner. But I received my paper pumpkin in the mail and I wanted to open it up as soon as I could. So that's why I'm going live a little early. Again, I'm Teresa. Thanks for stopping by my stamp room. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that teaches people how to craft with Stampin' Up! Products. Now, Paper Pumpkin is made by Stampin' Up! And it is, if you're not aware what Paper Pumpkin is, it is a craft kit, a surprise craft kit that's delivered straight to your door each month. You can just purchase 1 month, 3, 6, 9, 12 months, I believe. Or you can go month to month. In your first kit, you will receive this a clear acrylic block, and that is what you're going to use with your stamp set that's included. So some other products that you might need with your Paper Pumpkin are a pair of scissors. So this is our snips. A clear acrylic block from us. This is one that's in our catalog. Okay, it just is more ergonomic. Okay, I prefer this one, but you can certainly use the one that comes first in your kit. And then also something to clean your stamps off. This is our Stampin' Chamois. It is well loved, but that's what it looks like after you've used it for a while. And this helps clean your stamps. Alrighty, so let's dig into this, shall we? So this is the September. Also on the box, it always has the name of the kit and the date on it. So Bon Appetit, September. Okay, so inside of it, yeah, you can still see that. So inside here, it gives us a preview of the actually next 2 months worth of Paper Pumpkin. They're calling it Winter Wonders, and it is an October kit and the November kit. It says here, October's kit includes 10 cards and envelopes. November's kit contains 24 tags in 4 different designs. So these two kits coordinate with each other. But they can stand alone. Okay, so if you want next month's Paper Pumpkin, you need to sign up by October 10th, and then the next one is by November 10th in order to get those. And then I will put a link in your description of this video where you can purchase these products from. Okay, so this is just a little insert that came in the box. Oh my goodness. Did you see that stamp set? How cute is that? So 2 little skeletons. Full skeletons. Here, let me get a piece of paper. There we go. Can you see that a little better? Okay. And it says, oh, there we go. Duh. 2 skeletons. Eat if you dare. Toxic treats. Bon Appetit. Happy Halloween, a little skull and crossbones, and trick or treat. How cute are those little skeletons? Oh, I can't wait. All right. And then the Stampin' Spot that comes with it this month is Gorgeous Grape. So this is just a small ink pad. And let me grab... And this is our full-size pad. So this is something that you might consider getting also if you want to add to your kit, is a full-size ink pad. Okay. We have, normally this is basically pool party tissue paper that it normally comes in, but since it's a special kit, it's black. Oh my goodness. These look so cute. Okay. So this is what comes in the kit. So you have your stamp set, your ink, and then your packet with everything in it. Oh, look at those little boxes. Little clothespins. Okay, so let's just open this up. Hi, Kim. How are you? Okay, clothespins. Looks like we have 2 different color little treat boxes. So here's some polka dots, some stripes. Okay, separate those. Some cute little labels. Okay, more little labels. More 2 sheets of these labels. Looks like some die cut pieces, so little skeleton hands and the full skeletons. Ooh, some spider webs. Oh, look at that. It actually has like the little skeleton on the inside of it. Cute. And then a little couple more tags. Oh, some vellum circles. These are glue dots, so this is your adhesive. So another thing that you might want to have is your favorite adhesive. These are just little glue dots, but I prefer either this snail, which is a double-sided tape, or our liquid glue. So that's something that you might want to add. Okay, you have your cardboard piece, and then your instructions. So full color of the projects. It says contains supplies for 20 treat boxes. Okay. Oh, on the back side here. Oh, it says do more with this month's kit. So it gives you alternative projects. Okay. And then this is where to find out more of Paper Pumpkin. And again, I will post where you can have my direct link to my Paper Pumpkin site. This is what it includes. And then it always gives you coordinating colors. So this month is Basic Black, Gorgeous Grape, Pumpkin Pie, and Whisper White. Okay. Then on the inside are all the instructions. So they're basic instructions. So assemble the box, stamp the sentiments on the labels, adhere the vellum circles and the bones with your adhesive dots. Okay, adhere some more of your die cuts, and then put everything on your boxes. Also, another great thing is down here at the bottom, they give you a ruler. So if you have to, sometimes they include ribbon. You can measure out your ribbon with just this little ruler. Okay, anything else I'm missing? Oh, yes, right down here at the bottom. I am posting a video on how to make this, but you can also go to pumpkinhowto.com and it will give you a video of how to make this project. Okay. All right. So it looks like I need one of these little boxes. Punch out the little pieces. And I believe these boxes, oops, not quite. And they usually tuck just like that. I hope that's the right way. And then that tucks in there. There's a little score line right here. A little score line right there. So that goes right in that little spot. Just like that. Pretty cute. Pretty cute, pretty cute. I am doing just fine. I'm crafting, so that makes everything always better. Oh, well, thanks. Thanks for watching. Okay. Well, I may not have the bottom just perfect. But you get the drift. Okay. Okay. And then just score on those lines. So I have a 16-year-old and they don't do, you know, trick-or-treats or holiday parties or anything like that anymore in school. But these would be adorable for little trick-or-treat things for school, for teachers. So any of you teachers out there, oh my goodness, yeah, there's so many more pieces to this. Okay, looks like there's a tag. So for this one, looks like there's a tag, a circle, and you can make the projects as is, just like the instructions, or you can just mix and match your pieces. And that's what a lot of people do, is just... And, you know, if you are not a fan of Halloween, I'm sure you could use these, just the boxes, and maybe put little pumpkins on them. So it could be a fall treat. Okay, and then... Okay, actually that looks like there. And your little hands. Oh, there's 2 sheets of those too. Okay, well, there's that. And your little skeleton friends. Oops, I almost ripped off his arm. How horrible. Okay. And one of the tiny orange tags. What else do we got? Got all kinds of pieces and parts. Okay. Okay, so to assemble your stamps, there's that acrylic block. And it says Toxic Treats on one. And I'm actually going to put it on here. So we have all kinds of different sizes of blocks, but it is a clear acrylic block. That way you can see directly down onto your paper. And 1, 2, 3, go. Let's see how straight I did. Ha, not bad. And then you just take it, put it on your cleaner. This is just basically water that's on here. And then let's just do, instead of a Bon Appetit, let's just do Happy Halloween. Think that'll fit on there? Nope. So we're going to get one of the small tags. And put on there. Okay. Okay. And I'm putting it right here. That way I can find it. Because some of these tiny little parts are, yeah, they're really difficult to find. Okay. So it looks like you just build your tag however you wish. And then put your little hand. Okay. Oh, another thing that you might want is a U-pick tool. So there's a spatula end and a little pokey end. And I'm going to use that. And then this is has putty in it, and this is great for picking up small little bits like sequins and such like that. So I am going to use the little glue dot on here since this is so small. And then it looks like we just put our hand right there. Cute. I'll do the other one. Oops. Come on now. Okay. And then just build our tag so that looks like it has that on there. And a vellum circle. Scary little okay, and then here's our little toxic treats. And then it looks like we just clip that on. All right, other tag. It's a little circle. Has our little skeleton. Oh, I see. Well, that covers him up a lot, doesn't it? Okay, so we'll go ahead and restamp something. I guess we'll use the Bon Appetit. Ink that up. And oh, it's going to cover him up. I don't like that. Maybe we're going to put it off to the side. Like that. Okay. Well, that is the projects. There are so many pieces and parts. We're going to have so much left over. So, over the next couple of days, I'll be making alternative projects. Here's a couple of ideas right here. And I have all those pieces. So, well, there you go. This is the September paper pumpkin. And if you missed out on this paper pumpkin, don't worry. I actually have a couple kits. So if you would like one, send me a message and I'll figure out how to get it to you. Also, towards the end of the month, I'm going to be having a Halloween treats class, and this is going to be one of the projects. So thanks so much for watching, and have a spooky evening. Thanks. Bye.